Hey, Grant here, and I don't know if you remember the alien laser that I showed you before, or you might be looking at this one first. If you're looking at this video first, I'm showing you how to put it all together, and you can go check my other video and I'll show you how my kittens are reacting to it. So let me get to it and show you how to put together this alien laser and get him ready for your kittens. Okay, here's all the parts that comes with it. And of course, it has the directions, and it'll probably make it easier if you do read the directions. A lot of times I don't. But here we got the main body of the little alien. You got a bag of his arms and legs. This is your charging cord. And this is the dangling apparatus that you attach to the alien, and it dangles the catnip and the feathers for him to play with. And I got this around Christmas time. They also included a little Christmas tree with a bell on it that you can hang from this instead of the feather if you want. Let's get to it here. So first off, of course, you want to remove the plastic off of his eyes, and we'll attach his arms and legs. So this alien is more like human. He does have 2 arms and 2 legs. So the ends here, they just kind of squeeze shut, and then they'll open back up. So you just push it in, and there he is. And they're marked also on the back here, left, and the other one is marked right. And then on the side here, it's marked left or right. So we got his arms in. And then the same thing with the legs. Although his legs aren't marked left or right, so I don't guess it matters which one you put in where. Okay, also, another trick on getting these legs in, you can see how this is slanted here. Make sure it matches the slanting in there. And his feet may not look exactly like you're expecting, but it'll go in fine if you match those. So see, one foot's kind of forward and the other one's a little bit out to the right. But if you don't get it that way, you won't get them in. You really struggle to get them in. So now we got his feet and his hands in. Okay, now the dangling apparatus, this attaches to his back, and you can attach it 2 different ways. And what this is like a vise, which you can loosen, open up, I'm doing counterclockwise to open it up. See, if you're looking this way, counterclockwise. So this is what you use to attach it to whatever. I attach it to the tabletop, this way. So if you're going to do it that way, then you want to attach this part to his back. But if you want also, you can attach this part to his back so it's sticking out further. It depends on how you're going to attach what to what. Okay, you see here, it's open on each side and a little bit of overhang here. Well, you want these here are going to go under the overhang on each side. So you put it in first this way, and then you just turn it clockwise, and there he is, and he's in there. And the same if you did it, if you want to put it in this way, and then you turn it and it locks in. Either way. So now you've got your alien, and this on the back, and this is how you attach it to whatever you want to attach it to, and then you just tighten this down. We're going to probably go with this route here. And you heard a little snap there when you turn it on, get it all the way in. And then this is dangling at the end, which, like I said, we've got some catnip going on here, so my cats go crazy over catnip. So before you want to do anything, you want to make sure he's charged. Now, he comes charged, and I hadn't tried him, so I don't know how long it'll stay charged initially. But if you want to charge it, here's your cord here. You just put it in there, and your other end is your standard USB end, and you plug it into wherever you plug your USB in to charge. Okay, just showing you a little bit what everything is. Right here is your power button. You just push it to turn it on. Right above it is where the indicator light is, that you know what pattern's going on. Once you push that, there it goes there. Turn it off, you just push back. Right here is your laser pattern toggle switch. You can change the patterns of the laser going on by just toggling that where you want it. Of course, right here is the charging port. This right here is, you call it the back clamp. That's the clamp that you'll use to hold it wherever you want to put it up at. And then down here is your accessory mount. It's called accessory mounting ring, where you tie whatever you want to dangle from that. And that's all your little parts. Okay, I'm going to show you the different modes that you have. First of all, when you first press the button one time, you're going to be in fast mode. If you press it again, it's slow mode. You press it the third time, and it's going to be a combination of the fast mode and the slow mode. And you got a blue light showing for that combination. On your slow speed, you'd have a yellow light showing, and on your fast speed, the light flashes. And then if you want to do it again, it puts it on manual. So that way, like if you're holding him, you know, you can do it yourself however you want to do it. Press it again, and you're back to fast speed mode, and it's flashing. Turn him off, you hold the button down, and he's off. Okay, so that's your different modes. And last thing, if you want to adjust how long that you want this to be hanging down, because it depends on how high you have him clamped onto what. So if you need to adjust this, you just push this button here, squeeze it together, that opens it up, and then you can just move it up and down the rope, however long you want it to hang. So that's it with our little alien laser toy. So I hope this helps. We hope to see you again.